One step back.
So I'm Neha Kochar, creative jewelry designer and an artist in and I'm from Chennai and my main purpose here for the presentation today is जहाँ पे ज्वेलरी आप जब चेन्नई में ज्वेलरी शॉप में जाते हो तो आपको आके जो लिमिटेड स्टॉक है उनके पास वही लेने को मिलता है. फॉर एग्जांपल आप एक रिंग ले रहे हो तो वो ज्वेलर एक ही रिंग को मल्टीपल टाइम्स बनाता है और मल्टीपल टाइम्स बेचता है. हिज मेन मोटिव इज टू मेक मनी आउट ऑफ इट. Whereas when I design a jewelry, तो वो रहेगा one of the kind and it will be a very unique to you. So आपके लिए जो रिंग या जो ज्वेलरी बनेगा वो नेक्स्ट क्लाइंट के लिए नहीं बनने वाला है. So I believe jewelry is very personal rather than just an investment. And a little glimpse into my life. I'm a Marwadi, born and brought up in Chennai. And my main interest is in painting and drawing and to explore new places. And the education and professional background mean I am a diploma in jewelry designing and I've completed my BCom from MOP Vaishnav College in Chennai. Also I'm a diploma graduate in diamond grading, color stones and a jewelry essentials by GIA, which is world's #1 institute in terms of jewelry. Professional journey being I have been working as a full-time designer for a year 2015-16 in a reputed jewelry store in Chennai. Apart from that, after that I started taking up freelance projects from jewelers across India and Dubai. Now I've been also started taking up B2C projects and also working with jewelers simultaneously across India. Next. My achievements being I've been awarded as the best designer of the year in the year 2022 and also I've been awarded as the women entrepreneur of the year in the same year 2023. So these are the next slide. My vision and vision. So my vision is to kindle love, just not transaction in terms of jewelry. We strive to make jewelry pieces a love story, inspiring wearer to cherish it in an expression of personal beauty and style, just rather being an investment. I personally also want to inspire women in my society and our culture, to strive and to work hard to achieve their goals and to fulfill their dreams. And my vision is to open a boutique after 5 to 7 years. That's my long-term vision where I want to actually have a physical store. Next slide. And my USP is each piece of jewelry we create is one of a kind masterpiece, exclusively designed for you. And you won't find any duplicates for the same. That's my USP. And all my jewelry are again certified as per the government standard of India. And we go extra mile in terms of finishing also, so we don't compromise in finishing or diamonds also. So all my diamonds are personally assorted by me, and so this is what it is. What I say is what I give. Next slide. So jewelry designs and our products. These are some of my design products. This is the kids collection which I designed for a jeweler in Rajkot. These are some of my earrings. Next slide. You can just keep on going. These are some of my earrings, necklaces. This is the wedding collection which I designed for a client in Dubai. This is again, there are many Muslim customers also who don't wear figures. They don't want, any Lakshmi or Ganesha in their jewelry. So this was a particular temple kind of jewelry designed for a Muslim client who didn't want any figures. So this is how I work. So this is called a Gothic collection. I take inspiration from different things across world. So this is an there is a stained glass here which I have been taking inspiration from, and the design next slide again. This is the inspiration board, and every element of the design what you see is turning into a form of jewelry. Next slide. So this is how the design is. This is a unique design which will be created only and only for you. Next slide. So these are some of my again products which I designed for my clients. So this was a lariat which I designed for one of my clients. It was their 4th anniversary and their 1st anniversary after a baby. So they wanted something which is which indicates their marriage and their baby. So I took 4 diamonds that indicates 4 years of their marriage, and the little butterfly is the baby, and the name of the husband, Gaurav, which is again personalized to the client's wish. This is again a charm bracelet which is designed, and it is again an emotion when it comes to child or charm bracelet. This is again another ring which I designed. This is the entire process. What I designed. Then this is a CAD design which I'll be showing it to you. Then the casting and the final product. So this is the entire process of jewelry, and these are some of my products which I have made. Next time. Thank you.